If you make candles and posting feels inconsistent, not because you're lazy, but because you never know what to post, this video is for you. This is my 30-day content calendar for candle makers. Not a trend calendar, not a post every day system, just a simple way to show up consistently without burning out. I always start people here, the Start Here tab, because this sets expectations. This calendar is designed to help you show up without pressure. You don't need to follow trends. You don't need to post every day. You don't need to chase metrics. This is planning, not growth hacking. This template works because it breaks content into 4 simple pieces that work together. Content pillars. What to post? Content pillars answer the hardest question. What am I even allowed to post about? Behind the scenes, education, product, brand story, lifestyle, and engagement. You don't need all of them. Pick 3 or 4 that feels natural to you. And over here, I've included examples that you can use. Hook library, how to start. Most people don't struggle with content. They struggle with starting. The hook type that we have here are education, mistake, curiosity, and if you're relatable. You're never started from a blank page. You're choosing a hook. And next to these hook type, I also included examples you can use. Posting rhythm. Permission to breathe. This part matters more than people think because it helps you understand 3 to 5 posts per week is enough. Reposting is allowed. Old content can be reused. And consistency beats going viral every time. In this section is just important notes for you to remember. This is not performance matrix, not a follower count, not an algorithm language, and not daily posting pressure. This content pillars and hooks is for planning, not growth hacking. This is where everything comes together. In column A, you have your days. I've included 31 days total. You can remove any of them depending on which month you're working on. Column B, it's for you to keep track of the date that you are currently posting. Column C is for the platform that you're using. Column D is a content pillar, and I've provided some examples. Column E is content idea. I also provided some examples that you can use. F is the hook opening lines. G is the format. For example, talking, B-roll, or point of view. H is the status that you can plan, film, or post. And I is the notes section. You can duplicate this tab every month. Right-click and choose move or copy. Then you're going to choose the 30-day calendar, create a copy, okay. And then it will create a brand new copy for you to start all over. In this case, I'm going to delete that because I'm just showing you an example. This calendar doesn't tell you what to say word for word. It teaches you how to decide. Once you understand the structure, content stops feeling heavy. The link to the template is below. Use it in a way that fits your season of life and business. See you next time. Bye!